So, Samsung is shaking things up a bit this year by moving its annual Galaxy S Unpacked event from February to mid-January. But it looks like this new timing might stick around for a while. According to a fresh leak, the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup could be unveiled as early as January 23, 2025. That's just around the corner. This info comes from South Korea's FN News via Jukanlasriv, who say the date is based on industry sources, which makes sense since we were already expecting a Galaxy S launch sometime in January or February. And if that date is accurate, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra are all on deck to be announced, with the event likely happening in San Francisco. Here's where it gets interesting. The rumored Galaxy S25 Slim might also debut alongside the main lineup. Most rumors until now suggested this slimmer version would drop a few months later, around April, but it sounds like Samsung is going for a surprise launch. It might even be a limited release just to gauge interest before committing to a bigger rollout. The Galaxy S25 lineup has been confirmed to arrive in early 2025. Already know Samsung is planning some major upgrades, especially in the software department. The S25 will likely debut with One UI 7 based on Android 15, which Samsung says will significantly overhaul the user experience. We're also hearing some buzz about Samsung possibly giving Bixby a generative AI boost, so it could actually become useful this time around. As for hardware, the S25 models are expected to all come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, no matter where you are in the world. That's a big deal because in the past, Samsung used its own Exynos chips in certain regions, and they've often been a bit underwhelming compared to Snapdragon's offerings. This switch should mean better performance across the board, which is definitely good news for Galaxy fans. So, what are you hoping to see from the Galaxy S25 series? Any particular features or upgrades you're excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until then, take care.